how to sell DIY craft kits and supplies on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products. Let's go with this one, for example. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your products like these, how to enter the price, how to set the description for the product, how to set the options like the primary color, and how to add the item details, and last but not least, how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's just close this page and let's go to the main one. Go to your top right, click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, in order to set your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences. It's where you choose a lot of things. Then you have name your shop. Then you will go to stock in your shop. Then you will choose how you'll get paid. Then you set your payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So from the first step, you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So I'm going to give it this name, for example. Remove the spaces between words and try to shorten the name. So the name is between 4 and 20 characters and it's available. Then click on save and continue. So here in this step, you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the details, the photos and all of that, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields, the fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So the first one is photos. Here you will need at least to upload one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to enter the price of your product. Then we have the listing details, where you will need to fill all of these red fields. And then we have the shipping. You will need as well to fill all of these red fields and turn them white with the right information. So let's start with the first step, which is the photos. Add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. And here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here you enter the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have three options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? Not yet made. You have three categories in here. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here, just type your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So I'm going to choose the first one. Then we have the craft type. Here you can choose or you can select up to 5. So for example, let's go with 3D printing, calligraphy, and coloring. You can choose 2 more, so I'm just going to settle for 3. Then we have the primary color. You can choose one in here. The secondary color as well. The occasion, you can choose one in here. The holiday, you can choose one in here as well. Then you have the renewal options. If you want an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual renewal, which is free. Then here you choose the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then if you have any production partners, you can add them in here and put all of their information. Then for the section tags and materials, they are optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. Then for the price, make sure to give it a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then you have the domestic and global pricing if you want to turn it on. Then we have the shipping options. If you want to choose the country origin, if you want to change it or not. So here, just make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. Then we end with the returns and exchanges policy. So here you can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one, or you can even create your own policy by clicking on create policy. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.